Hey everyone, Teacher Natalie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here on my channel, you'll find videos all about teaching online, using technology in your classes, and becoming the best online teacher you can be. Today, I want to show you how you can use your phone as a second camera in your Outschool classes. I use my phone a lot, especially when I want to still have a camera on my face and I am working on my desk. So let me show you how. First, you need a phone, and second, you need something to hold your phone with. What I use is called a gooseneck holder. Now, this is what it looks like, and it attaches to the table right here, and it's adjustable to fit the different widths of table. This part actually moves, so you can change the camera angle, the way it holds your phone. And then this part is the clamp, and it holds your phone. And this is actually pretty sturdy. So it's my phone, so it's clamped to the table, and my phone sits in it like this, with the camera directly on my table. And this is so sturdy. My phone is not moving around in here. It's not falling out. This is awesome. So if you're looking for something like this, go to Amazon. I got this off of Amazon, and I have the link in the description box below. So go check it out if you're interested in using one of these. So let me show you what you need to do. You need to head over to Zoom. Once you're in Zoom, I like to hop into the meeting at least a couple minutes early so I can get this all set up. So what you're going to do is actually invite yourself to your own Outschool class that you're teaching. What that looks like is down here at the participants button, you're going to click on it, and then on the right side, you have an invite button. You're going to click on it, invite, and I always do email, and then type in your email. So it's going to send that Zoom link to your email for this class you're teaching. And then on your phone, you're going to find your email, click on that link for the Zoom meeting, and then you'll let yourself in. So I'm going to enter my name. I always keep it as Natalie, just so students know that is me. I'm going to click OK, and then you see I'm popped up in the waiting room. So then I get my phone ready, and I clamp it into the clamp, and it's good to go. When I let all of my students in, I'm also going to let myself in, so I will pop up onto the screen. Now, I'll let myself in. When you are ready to teach, you're going to start your camera, but do not start the audio. I don't want it echoing with what I'm saying and coming in off my phone. So now you can see I'm in my meeting and my phone is down here. So awesome. I just set up my document camera, and I use it all the time for my math classes, set up my manipulatives. Takes some getting used to for the camera angle, because on the camera it looks like I'm moving all my objects up to the top of my whiteboard, but I'm actually moving them over to the left. So it takes some getting used to with a different camera angle, but you'll get it. The last thing I want to share with you is how you can switch between different camera views and what you want students to focus on. Now this works really well if there are 3 of you, which there will be, but there has to be at least 3 in the meeting. So I don't have this option right now because there's only 2 cameras, 2 views right now. But what you're going to do is use the spotlight view, and you're going to find that by hovering over their camera, these 3 dots. You're going to click on it. Here it's going to show up with a menu that says spotlight video, and if you click on that, you are going to show up really nice and big for your students to see. And if I want students to see my whiteboard, I'm going to do the same. Click on the 3 dots and then click spotlight video. Then that will make my camera and what I'm working on here really big for my students if I really want them to see what's going on the whiteboard. And that is how you can easily use your phone as a document camera. It works really, really well. Thanks everyone for watching. If you would like more tech tutorials on technology or platforms like Nearpod or whatnot, leave a comment below and let me know what you'd like to hear.